I stopped modding my Corolla to feel good and decided to go for a dash cam. This isn't exciting. It doesn't add power to the car. It doesn't make the car louder, and nobody compliments it. That's exactly why most people skip a mod like this. Car guys would rather spend money on things people can see rather than things that actually protect them. This Corolla is a daily driver. I daily drive it. That means reality matters more than looks. This dash cam protects me if something happens. It protects my insurance. It protects my life and my time. It also gives me a lot of content ideas because I daily drive this car. I learned that the hard way, that protection saves more money than mods will ever do. This is where my mindset changed. I stopped modding emotionally. I stopped buying things just to feel better about the car. Stability comes first, looks comes after. This is the rule I follow now. I don't add anything to a car unless it's already protected. That one rule saves money quietly without you even noticing. The same rule applies to every car I build. Even the GR86, it already has a dashcam in it before I ever did any mods. Just because a car is fun doesn't mean the priorities change. Now, this dashcam isn't exciting, no, I know that, but it's smart. Thank you guys for watching. If you like more car content, subscribe and like this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.